use SKNX. First, you must open SKNX Signal and your trading platform. Then you can open market for trading on your platform, following available market on SKNX. After ready, you can waiting for prepare buy or sell notification. Look, we get some prepare signal notification. I will choose GBP Japan Yen market for trade. We will use 1 minute's expire trade, because the signal only for 1 minute's trade. Then, I will open a sell trade at the start of the minute. Here we go. Now I open sell trade following prepper sell signal. Tips from me: you don't need to wait for a buy or sell signal now. So, when you get a preparation signal, you can immediately open a trade at the start of the minute, like I did. Now, we get our trade profit. The question: what if a signal get lost result? Sometimes a signal will give misprediction, and correct prediction will go on next or next minutes. For anticipate this case, I will use Martingale method. Look this trading case. The signal give misprediction. Current candlestick not down but going up. So, I will open sell again after this minute's finish. Before open trade, I will double up my amount trade, so when I get profit my loss amount will be returned, and I will get profit on this trade. I have opened Martingale trade with double amount. Look, I get profit, and my loss amount before is returned. You can use Martingale every signal get misprediction. And you can use Martingale again if first Martingale get loss result. I recommend you for use maximal to Martingale on one signal, not more. You can use Smart Mode for get market recommendation. Smart Mode will help you to use market recommendation based from SKNX lab data. Press Turn on Smart Mode button to use Smart Mode on your SKNX Signal. Here I use Smart Mode. We get Prepare Signal notification. We are ready to trade. Oh no, the signal may be given as signal. Don't worry, we will use Martingale method. By using Smart Mode, you will get market recommendations, where the possibility of a signal being missed at the maximum Martingale or second Martingale is very small. Look, we made a profit on the first Martingale. That's amazing, especially to get a profit target of 1 to 5% every day. Alright, that's a tutorial how to use Signal. If you have a question, you can contact our admin. Thanks for this moment. Goodbye.